Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, I'm here to tell you about an incredible opportunity that could kickstart your business journey. It's called the Asaan Karobar Finance Scheme, launched by the Punjab government. If you're based in Punjab and dreaming of starting or boosting your own business, this could be your golden ticket. So, what's the deal? The Asaan Karobar Finance Scheme offers interest-free loans to small and medium enterprises and startups. Yep, you heard that right, 0% interest. They have two tiers of loans. Tier 1 offers loans from Rs, 1 million to Rs, 5 million, and Tier 2 goes from Rs, 6 million to Rs, 30 million. Now let's talk features. Not only are these loans interest-free, but you also get up to 5 years to repay them. The application process is super simplified. No need for immediate knocks, licenses, or plan approvals. It's designed to make things easy for you. So, who's eligible? You need to be between 21 and 57 years old, have a valid CNIC and registered mobile number, and your business should be in Punjab. Additionally, you need to be a tax filer with a clean credit history and provide some references and documentation related to your business and residence. How do you apply? First, register on the PTB portal using your CNIC-linked mobile number. Fill out the application form online, pay the non-refundable processing fee, and upload the necessary documents. Once you submit your application, you can track its status online or via SMS updates. And here's a bonus, the SME card. With this card, you can use funds for vendor payments, utility bills, and government fees. Cash withdrawals are limited to 25% of the loan amount, and borrowers must register with PRA or FBR within 6 months of receiving the card. This scheme was launched by Chief Minister Mariam Nawaz, and the loans are provided through the Bank of Punjab. Plus, the government aims to provide land at subsidized rates for new businesses. For more details, visit the official website at akc.punjab.gov.pk/CM Punjab Finance. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to bring your business dreams to life. Thanks for watching, and good luck.